We'll guide you through how to make a circle in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Inkscape on your computer. Create a new document to begin your project. Select the Ellipse tool from the toolbar on the left. Move your cursor to the canvas area where you want to draw. Click and drag on the canvas to start creating a shape. Hold the Ctrl key while dragging to constrain the proportions. The shape will become a perfect circle instead of an ellipse. Release the mouse button to finish drawing the circle. Select the circle using the selection tool. Resize it by dragging the corner handles around the bounding box. Hold Ctrl again to keep the proportions consistent during resizing. Move the circle to your desired position on the canvas. Open the Fill and Stroke panel to adjust its appearance. Choose a fill color and apply your desired color to the circle. Go to the Stroke Paint tab and enable the stroke if needed. Select an outline color that suits your design. Next, go to the Stroke Style tab to adjust the stroke width. Increase or decrease the thickness to make the outline thicker or thinner. If necessary, convert the object to a path for advanced editing. Open the Path menu and click Object to Path. Select the Node tool to edit the circle shape manually by adjusting its nodes. You can add a gradient if desired to enhance the visual style. Duplicate the circle if you need additional copies for your design. Finally, save your file to keep your work. Export the design as a PNG file if you need a raster image for sharing or use elsewhere. Make sure to review your design before exporting to confirm that all elements are positioned correctly. Adjust any colors, sizes, or stroke settings if something does not look right. Zoom in or out to inspect details more closely and ensure smooth edges. Keep your workspace organized by deselecting unused objects and focusing on the active shape. After exporting, check the PNG file in an image viewer to confirm quality and transparency settings. Repeat the process if you need different sizes or variations of the same circle design.